you doing in there? How's life in the hollow tree? Yes, I like tapping at your door, tapping at your door. You know, my friend, I got something for you. Yes, I do. I got something for you. Just a minute. No peeking, no peeking, no peeking. Something you've been wanting. No peeking. Are you peeking? Are you peeking? Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. No peeking. No peeking. Okay. Gotcha. Got a feather. See, I brought you a feather. I knew you'd like that. Oh, you made a cookie for me? Why, thank you, my friend. Here's the feather. Mmm. Looks delicious. Mmm. Hey, could I have another? Oh, you got an extra one for me, too? Oh, wonderful, my friend. Mm. Thank you so much for being such a great friend. That's why I always love stopping by this hollow tree just to see if you're home. Mm. What you say? Since I got 2 cookies, I have to tickle you again. Okay, okay. I'm gonna get the feather. Alrighty. There you go. Okay, I'll see you later, my friend.